The Leica Q series has always been at the center of a fascinating debate among photographers. Should you invest in the current model or wait for the next evolution? That conversation has intensified as the spotlight begins to shift from the still new Leica Q3 to the rumored Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has stuck to a 4-year release cycle for its Q lineup, but the rapid pace of technological change and growing competition might push the company to break that rhythm. Many enthusiasts are wondering whether Leica could unveil the Q4 sooner than expected, and if it does, whether it will bring innovations that completely reshape the concept of a compact full-frame camera. When the first Leica Q arrived back in 2015, it caused a stir in the photography world. It merged Leica's timeless design and build philosophy with modern imaging performance, offering a full-frame sensor paired with a fixed 28mm lens. That move was daring but brilliant. It provided professional-grade image quality and that distinctive Leica character in a body small enough to take anywhere. It instantly became a hit among photographers who wanted Leica's craftsmanship and signature look without lugging around a full-system camera. Then came the Q2, which elevated the series with a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and refined ergonomics that made it even more comfortable to use. Leica proved that a compact camera didn't have to mean compromise. It could deliver world-class results while remaining minimalist and intuitive. The Q3 pushed that philosophy further, introducing a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection, autofocus, and even 8K video capabilities. It was a statement that Leica could stay relevant not only to traditional photographers but also to hybrid shooters and creators who demand versatility. Now, as talk of the Q4 grows louder, the expectations are sky-high. Leica isn't known for radical overhauls, it prefers careful refinement. Yet, the market today is very different from what it was a few years ago. With smartphones getting better every year and competitors like Sony, Canon, and Fujifilm redefining what's possible in compact systems, Leica has every reason to step up. Rumors suggest that the Q4 could take a major leap forward, possibly introducing a stacked CMOS sensor change that would significantly improve readout speeds, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. That kind of sensor could bring Leica on par with some of the most advanced mirrorless cameras available. If true, the new sensor would unlock faster autofocus, smoother video, and better performance in demanding conditions. Autofocus, in particular, is expected to be a major upgrade. The Q3 introduced phase detection AF for the first time, but the Q4 could take things further with AI-powered subject recognition, refined eye and animal tracking, and predictive algorithms capable of matching the performance of top-tier mirrorless systems. For a camera with a fixed 28mm lens, that kind of precision would be invaluable, making it more capable for everything from street and travel photography to low-light or fast-moving scenes. Video is another area where Leica might surprise everyone again. The Q3's ability to shoot 8,000 video was unexpected, but there's room for improvement. The Q4 might tackle one of the Q3's biggest weaknesses: heat management, allowing for longer recording sessions without overheating. It may also offer higher frame rates in 4K for slow-motion capture, making it a true hybrid tool that can satisfy both photographers and filmmakers. With those upgrades, Leica could turn the Q4 into a serious contender against cameras like Sony's FX3 or Canon's R5, but in a far more compact and elegant form factor. Low-light performance is another area that could benefit from this rumored stacked sensor and improved image processing. The 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens is already an exceptional performer in dim lighting, but better sensor technology could lead to cleaner images at higher ISOs, richer colors, and superior detail in shadows. For creators who work in natural light or unpredictable environments, those improvements could be game-changing. The Q4 could easily become the ultimate travel and street photography companion: small, silent, and extraordinarily capable. As for design, Leica's philosophy of evolution rather than revolution will likely hold true. Early leaks suggest that the Q4 will retain the sleek minimalism of the Q3 but with ergonomic refinements that make it even more comfortable for extended use. Small changes like a deeper grip, lighter weight, and better button placement might not sound dramatic, but they can make a huge difference during long shoots. Another major upgrade could be the electronic viewfinder. The Q3's $5.76 million EVF was already impressive, but the Q4 might step up to a $9.44 million display with faster refresh rates for a lag-free, lifelike experience. That would give photographers a more immersive view of their compositions and make manual focusing feel even more natural. The rear display may also get a boost. The Q3 introduced a tilting screen for the first time in the series, but the Q4 could go fully articulating, giving vloggers and content creators the flexibility to frame themselves while shooting. Touchscreen responsiveness, menu customization, and UI refinements are also expected to improve, based on user feedback from the Q3 generation. Connectivity is another area where Leica might modernize. With professionals increasingly needing instant image transfers and wireless workflows, the Q4 could feature faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and tighter integration with Leica's mobile app ecosystem. Better tethering options might also appear, making it a stronger choice for studio and on-location work. The biggest questions, of course, are when it will arrive and how much it will cost. Leica has stuck to a pattern so far: Q in 2015, Q2 in 2019, and Q3 in 2023. Following that rhythm, the Q4 would land in 2027. But some insiders believe the company may accelerate its schedule, possibly releasing it in late 2026 to stay competitive. As for price, Leica has never been shy about its premium positioning. The Q3 launched at around $5,995, and the Q4, given the rumored upgrades, could cross the $6,500 mark, maybe even approach $7,000. That's undeniably steep, but Leica buyers aren't just paying for specs, they're buying craftsmanship, design, and an experience that few other brands can replicate. If these predictions come true, the Leica Q4 could redefine what a fixed-lens full-frame camera is capable of. It might combine a next-generation sensor, add autofocus, enhanced video, better stabilization, and refined ergonomics into one elegantly built machine. For professionals, enthusiasts, and hybrid creators alike, it could become the go-to choice for uncompromising performance in a portable body. The anticipation surrounding this camera already feels electric, and whether it arrives on schedule or early, one thing is certain: the Leica Q4 is shaping up to be more than just an upgrade. It could be the next milestone in the evolution of compact full-frame photography.